All right, so in today's lesson, as I said before, we are going to read the whole passage and then we're going to do the exercises. Okay, so first of all, may I invite Anna for the first paragraph.
Do you laugh every day? Most people do. Scientists say that laugh about 7 times a day. That's a lot of laughter.
All right, next
In
up,
India, there are
wait,
hundreds of
just
laughter
paragraph
clubs.
one. Just paragraph one. All right, thank you, Anna. All right, next up, let's invite Jenny for the second paragraph.
In India, there are hundreds of laughter clubs. The people in these clubs get together every morning. First, they stretch their hands above their heads. Then they pretend to laugh. Soon, everyone is laughing naturally. People say they feel good after laughing together.
All right, and third, let's invite Danny. The third one.
Scientists believe that laughter is good for you. Why? For one thing, laughter is good excited. Scientist says 100, when you laugh, you're excited many muscles in your body. Scientists say that 100 laughs equals 10 minutes of running. When you laugh, you also breathe deeply. Then you relax. That's good for you too.
All right, so this word, we're going to pronounce this as exercise, okay? And also this, when you laugh, you exercise many muscles in your body. All right, very nice.
When
Yeah, what? Okay. So number four, let's invite Tracy.
We know that people laugh more often in groups. They don't laugh every often when they are alone. Many scientists believe that we are laughter to connect to other people. Laughter have you feel party or group.
Okay, very nice. And number five, let's invite Anna. Anna,
where do I start?
this one, number five.
In English, people say that laughter helps sick people get well. Did you think so too?
All right, very nice. Let's move on to the
I,
first. Yeah.
I don't learn, but I study all of it.
Oh, you study art. That's very nice.
I study then what is the society.
Hmm.
I thought that we would not do that again.
Do what?
Why do we laugh again? So I do what is the society.
Oh, okay, it's fine. You okay, it's we are going to do that paragraph the next time because we haven't done the this exercise yet. So we're going to do it now. Okay, move on to the first exercise. We're going to put the right word in each blank, the sentence or from the text. All right, for the first sentence, let's invite Haley. Are you there, Haley? Okay, let's invite Ruby then.
When you laugh, you also breathe deeply. This helps you relax.
Okay, let's help you relax. Number two, that is a question to answer. Okay, so Danny, number two.
That is a hard question to answer.
Yeah, that is a hard question to answer. Okay, number three. For one thing, laughter is a good. Let's invite Anna.
For one thing, laughter is a good exercise.
Okay, Laughter is a good exercise. Number 4, let's invite Helly. Is Helly there?
Yep.
Yeah, Helly is in the class. Okay, so how about Tracy? Are you there, Tracy? Um, oh, we got a new students. Wang
Yeah,
Ji?
it's party.
Yeah. Wang Ji, are you there?
We have a new student.
All right. I think he is not here yet. Okay, so let's just keep up with 3 of us. All right, so back to Danny, number 4.
In India, there's a hundred of laughter cups.
Laughter clubs. Okay. Number 5. In English, people say that laughter is the best. Ruby. Ruby. Ruby is not here. Okay. So Wang Chi, could you do number 5 for me? Wang Chi? Yeah. It's Hai Lao. I mean, like, okay, I know you. Okay, so could you do the this number 5 for me? Wang Chi. Oh no, I don't know your name.
I think he can't unmute.
Yeah, I'm trying to ask him to unmute. What is his name in the last class? I don't really remember. Okay, so back to Danny. Number 5.
In English, people say laughter is the best medicine.
Medicine. Very nice. Okay, and number 6, let's invite Anna. Anna? Number 6.
Yes. Should you laugh every day?
Yeah, do you laugh every day? Number 7, let's invite Helly. Helly, you're raising your hand.
Hình như mình hình như có chưa. I think it's
Huh? Laughter help sick people
connect.
get what?
I
Get
think
what?
it's connect.
Help sick people get connect. All right. So let's discuss about this sentence. Laughter helps sick people get something. So it should be an adjective. Okay, it could be adjective or verb. So we got club is a noun, connects a verb, equal is a equals maybe a verb. Exercise a verb, hard is an adjective. Laugh is a verb, medicine is noun, naturally. Pretend is a verb, relax is a verb. Well is adjective, and soon is not verb. Okay, so Helly, what does connect mean? Helly? All right. So connect means that like you're trying to pair one people to another people, or you pair one thing to another thing. It's called connect. For example, I use my my AirPods to listen to music. So I connect my AirPods with my device. So it's called connected. Okay, so in this situation, laughter, like those who laugh, people who are laughing can't help those sick people to get connected to them. It doesn't make sense. So what should we write here? Anna, what should we write?
Well,
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me just erase this. Yep. So it should be well. So according to the scientist, laughter help sick people get well. I don't know why, but according to those scientists, they said so. Number 8, many scientists believe that we use laughter to other people. Ruby, are you there? All right, Danny is raising his hands. Okay, so Danny.
many scientists believe that we use laughter to connect to other people.
Yep. Yeah, we use laughter as a sign to connect with other people. Number 9, first they stretch their hands above their heads, then they do something to laugh. Okay, so Ruby, number 9. Ruby,
First, they stretch their hands above their heads. Then they pretend to laugh.
then they pretend to laugh. Okay, number 10. Let's head back to Anna.
Soon, everyone is laughing naturally.
Yep, soon everyone is laughing naturally. Very nice. And number 11, let's invite Danny.
Scientists say that 100 laughs equals 10 minutes of running.
All right. Okay, so take a look through these things, okay? And those who haven't done their work should copy it down. Right, I'm gonna spend about 1 minute for you guys.
What?
Not just like
Yes,
just spend 1 minute for those to like take notes of the answers.
write the answer down.
Yep.
What do you mean?
Have to write the answers on the board down to our book.
Yeah. So like, if you have done your work, then you don't have to. But like if you haven't done them, then you should write the answer down on your book.
I done it. I want to see. Why is the sea salty?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's really nice, but
I don't know, but I do it.
it's fine. Like it's really good, but we have to wait for those haven't done yet.
Okay.
Right, so that's it. And we should move on to the second exercise. Put the right word in each blank. These are the new sentences for words in the text. So you're going to put these words into the sentences to make it make sense. Okay, so first of all, let's invite Haley for the first sentence.
In a movie, actor pretends to be someone else.
Yep, in a movie, actor pretend to be someone else. So like they play the role as someone else. It's called actor. Number 2, let's invite Anna.
It's hard to relax before a test.
Yep, it's hard to relax before a test because you're really nervous. You can't relax. Number 3, let's invite Danny.
5 plus 10 equals 15.
All right, very simple. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Oh my God. Number 4, let's invite Haley. Haley?
I think it's connect.
Yeah, connect. You need to connect a telephone before you can use it. Number 5, are you there, Ruby? Or Tracy or Wang Ji?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so Tracy, number 5.
Play soccer, worker, and bring a time of re-
Types of?
it expensive, excited.
Okay, so I'm going to fix your pronouns. Okay, listen carefully. Playing soccer, walking, and bicycling. Yeah, this is hard to pronounce, but it's bicycling. Are type of exercise. Yeah, it's exercise, okay? Playing soccer, walking, and bicycling are types of exercise. Number 6, you should go to a doctor when you don't feel. Ruby.
You should go to a doctor when you don't feel well.
Okay, you should go to a doctor when you don't feel well. Number 7, it's okay, so Helly. Well, I think she just invite Helly. All right, let's invite Danny instead. Danny. Number 7.
It it
Huh?
I
All right, this is tricky. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, so first of all, this thing have to be an adjective, right? And yeah, so we got only 2 of these, either hard or natural. I think you know the meaning of hard, right? Okay, so you're going to put
Yeah.
the
and
hard
natural.
in the sentence, yeah?
I think it's
Yep.
natural.
Yeah, okay. So, for example, if you put hard, then it's going to be, it's hard to laugh when you hear something funny. It's impossible because you will laugh if you hear something funny, right? And
Yes.
natural means that it's common. It's like easily to be happen. Yeah, so it's common. Okay, so we are going to say it's natural to laugh when you hear something funny, which means that it's common to laugh when you hear something funny. Yeah, so it's natural. Number 8, you can buy in a drugstore or pharmacy. Anna.
You can buy medicine in the drugstore or pharmacy.
Okay, you can buy medicine in a drugstore or a pharmacy. Number 9, let's invite Ruby.
Many high school students belong to school clubs.
Belongs to school clubs. All right. And number 10, Danny.
I think scientist is easy, but my brother think it is hard.
Yeah, it is hard. Okay, number 11, let's invite Helly. Helly?
I think scientists. I like her story because they make me laugh.
Oh, they make me laugh. Very nice. And lastly, number 12, let's invite Anna.
The bus should be here. It's never late.
What?
Soon.
What?
Soon.
Oh, okay, soon. The bus should be here soon. It's never late. And move on to the third exercise. Put a circle around the letter of the best answer. Let's invite Ruby.
I think most birds have souls, only the kiwi doesn't.
You said that. Could you repeat again? Could you repeat it again?
I think most birds have muscles, only the kiwi doesn't.
Oh, most birds have muscles, only the kiwi doesn't. Wait, let me see. So the kiwi have beak, the kiwi have feet, the kiwi have wing. Yeah, so it must be the muscle. Number 2, laughing and yawning make you feel. Danny.
Laughing and yawning makes you feel alert.
Alert. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, laughing and yawning makes you feel alert. Number 3, when you breathe deeply, you pull in your Anna.
When you breathe deeply, you pull in your stomach.
Yep, you put in your stomach. Number 4, in the evening, it's get in the desert. Ruby.
I think in the evening it gets cold in the desert.
It's get cold in the desert. Are you sure?
Saying it's cool.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so as you already know, the desert going to get warm in the morning, and then it's going to get really hot in the afternoon, and in the evening it's going to get cool, and then in the night it's going to be really cold. Yeah, so like it have the cycle of it, the cycle of
Actually, when
temperature.
it snows.
Yeah, so it should be cool. Number 5, it's hard to relax when you are Danny.
It's hard to relax when you are afraid.
When you're afraid. Very nice. And number 6, it's good to before and after you exercise. Let's invite Helly. Are you there, Helly?
Yes.
All right, very nice. It's good to before and after you exercise.
Sleep.
It's good to sleep before and after you exercise. Wait, let me check. I don't think so. Like it makes sense. It makes sense somehow. But in this situation,
B.
yeah, in this situation, I think it should be stretched. So like to make sure that your muscles won't get like stuck or like and make sure that your blood vessels works properly, then you should stretch and warm up before you do exercises. Okay? Stretch. And move on to the D questions. The asterisk means you have to think of the answer. You cannot find it in the text, right? Okay, so for the first one, let's invite Anna.
How many times do you people laugh a day? 17 times a day.
Yes, 17 times a day. Number 2, at a laughter club, what do people do first? Are you there, Ruby? How about Tracy? Oh, okay, Ruby. Could you do the second one for me?
Give me a moment.
All right.
First they stretch their hands above their head.
Stretch. All right, stretch their hands above their head. All right. Number 3, why is laughter good for you? Let's invite Tracy. Tracy? How about okay, so Danny.
Laughter is good for you because when you laugh, you stretch your muscles.
Oh, okay, very interesting. Uh, it 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 helps you stretch your muscles. Very nice. Number 4, what happens to your muscles when you laugh? Anna.
Your muscles stretch down.
Huh? Your muscle what?
Your muscle gets relaxed more than the, but usually I don't know that one.
Right. So look up to the word that Danny said. He says that when you laugh, your muscles stretch, right? So what happened to your muscles when you laugh? What happened? Anna, what happened?
Um,
Okay. So when you laugh, why is laugh good? Because it helps you stretch your muscles, right? So what happened to your muscles when you laugh? Anna?
um,
You got it? You got it? Okay, let me write it down, okay? Laugh, as you can see, laugh, it helps you stretch your muscles. So, laugh, muscles, something, muscle, something, when you laugh. What should it be? Laugh, stretch your muscles. So what does your muscles do when you laugh?
stretch.
Yup, very nice. It's stretch. Your muscles are stretch. Okay. Number 5, what happens to your breathing when you laugh? Heli.
When you laugh, you also breathe deeply.
Okay. You breathe deeply. Okay. For the asterisk, the first one. Why do scientists think that laughter helps us connect to other people? Danny, have any clue?
I think is
It's
big. I think is laughter help us feel a part of a group.
oh, interesting. Laughter helps us feel part of a group. Yeah, so because it's help us feel part of a group, then we are going to be more comfortable in it. And when we are comfortable in it, then we can comfortably talk with other people, make friends. So that's why laugh help us connect to other people. Number 7, what kind of things make people laugh? Anna, what kind of things?
It can be a funny story, or it can be something your friend. It can be a story. It can be a friend that tells you about something. It can be a friend that tells you something that is funny.
Oh, tell something that is funny. All right, very nice. Move on to the exercise number 5. We're going to write T for true, F for false, and D for no informations. Okay, so as I told before, true is mean that the sentence is correct. False is mean that it appears in the text, but it's not the same. It's like not not the true one. But the no information means that the sentence doesn't appear in the text. You should like figure out those false and no information because it's really easily to get like mixed with each other. Okay, so for the first one, there are laughter clubs in many countries. Danny, is it true or false?
I think it's true.
It's true. Okay, wait, let me just check it. The people there are in India, there are hundreds of laughter clubs. The people in okay, so they say that there are in India there are many clubs, but did they say that there are many countries that have laughter clubs?
No,
No. Yeah. So is it in the text?
no.
Yep. So what should we write here?
N-I.
Yeah, it's no information. Okay, so no information means that it is not true and it is not in the text, right? So it's no information. Number 2, laughter is a kind of exercise. Anna,
False.
false. Okay, false. Well, let me see. Oh, as you can see here, for one, some people believe that laughter is good for you. For one thing, laughter is a good exercise, right? So is laughter exercise? Anna?
Yes.
Yeah,
It's a good.
yeah, it's a good exercise. So what should we write here?
T.
Yeah, it's true. Laughter is a kind of exercise, and it is also a good exercise, right? Number 3, you need to stretch before you laugh. Helly, do you think it's true or false or not? No informations.
False.
You think it's false? You
Yes.
don't need to stretch before you laugh. Okay, so let's check. People in the clubs, then they pretend to laugh, so laugh. When you laugh, okay, so when you laugh, you exercise many muscles, you stretch your muscles. Why do we laugh? These are hard questions. All right. Hey, man, this question are tricky. Okay, so they say that you need to stretch before you laugh. Do they say that you need to stretch before you laugh, or do they say that you don't need to stretch before you laugh? Is it this sentence in the text? Yeah. So as you can see, they don't tell anything about you should stretch before you laugh or not. Okay. How do I explain it? Again, true is mean that the sentence is in the text. They say about the sentence in the text. And false means that the sentence are not the same, is incontroversial to the sentence in the text, right? And no information means that they didn't say anything of the sentence in the text. So in this situation, do they say anything about stretching before you laugh? Danny, what do you think?
Yes.
Number 3.
Me, I think is N-I.
Yeah, it's correct. So in the text, they just say that. They say that we laugh and then our muscles are stretched. They didn't say that we need to stretch before we laugh or we don't need to stretch before we laugh. They didn't say two of those sentences. So it's not in the text. So it's no information. You got it? You guys got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. These questions are really tricky for you guys. For number 4, people laugh more often when they are alone. Danny, I think true, false, not given.
I think it's false.
You think it's
Because
false?
yes, because people laugh more often when they are in many groups. When
Oh,
they are alone, they just write a story and they laugh.
it's weird. Wait, here. So, as you can see, we know that people laugh more often in a group. So it is mentioned in the text, right? So it has the information. But now, the only thing that wrong is the group. They say that we laugh more often in alone, and it's false. Yeah, so we are going to write false. Okay, very good, Annie. Number 5, all mammals laugh. Ruby, are you there?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, number 5, all mammals laugh. Is it true, false, not given?
I think that's no information.
No informations. Okay, let's give it a check. Most people do. Laughter is the best medicine, scientists.
I think
Yeah.
if they says all mammals laugh, they're going to say as the first one.
Do people laugh? I think it's not no informations because they although peoples are mammals, they're saying that,
Yes, it just says people, and I think if they says all mammals laugh, the good should be as the first one.
they are the first one. Yeah.
Yes, if they says that it's going to, I say it's the first one, just like most people do. Do you laugh every day like that? But it only says most people do.
Yeah. So if the sentence is that all people laugh, and then it's going to be, for example, if they say all if they say all people laugh, then is it true or false? Is it true or false? Are these two sentences the same? No. All people laugh means that it's 100%. And most people do it means like about 70 to 90%. So it's not the same. But in this situation, they said that all mammals laugh. Did they mention the mammals in this whole text? No?
No.
Yeah. So what should it be? According to Ruby said, it should be no informations. It's correct. Very nice. Okay. Tracy, are you there? Are you there, Tracy? All right. How about Anna? Are you still there, Anna?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Number 6, laughter clubs helps people feel good.
True.
It's true. Okay, let's hop back on. Believe that laughter is good for you. People say that to good after laughing together. Laughter clubs help people feel good. Yeah, it's correct. So they say that if you join laughter clubs, then they are going to make you laugh, and they say that people say laugh helps you feel good. So those people are especially from the laughter clubs. So laughter club help people feel good. All right. And finally, laughter might help us connect to other people. Ruby, is it true or false or not? Or no informations?
I think it's true.
You think it's true? Laughter might help us connect other people. Isn't it love good for you? Let us believe that love's good. Chance you laugh. That's good for you. It's so hard. Many scientists believe that we use laughter. Yeah, so it's just like maybe. Like it depends on the people, so it might help us connect to other people. It's correct. And for our last exercise, circle the number of the main idea, the text. Laughter helps you relax. Laughter is good for you. People laugh every day. Okay, so which one is the main idea? Danny, do you think which one? Which one?
I think it's good for you.
Yep, it's laughter good for you. Because the body of the text says those benefits that laughter bring to you. So it shows that the whole text is about laughter is good for you. Very nice. Okay, so I think before we move on to the next exercise, we should read through the why is the sea salty.
Yes, I think we should sit and next lesson we do the exercise and do the text. We
Yeah,
don't
like-
have to we don't spend much time on the reading.
Yeah, so like
I do that earlier.
yeah, very nice. But in today's lesson, we're not going to like do this one exercise. We're just going to read through it, and then you guys are going to have a small paraphrasing, and then the last 10 minutes we could spend time playing. Okay, so I'm gonna divide this one into man, this one's long. Is it equally? I think it's not.
It's only 3. We always have 4 or
Yeah, because this one like a little too short. So it doesn't looks like it's fair enough. All right, so let's just divide this into 2 parts, which is kind of too long, but it's fine. Okay, so the first one, may invite Anna first. The first
There is a lot of salt on the earth, and it mixes very well with water. There is some salt in our water. Water on land runs into lake and river. The water from most lake go into the river. This river runs into sea and ocean. They carry a little salt with them. Some of the ocean water move to the air and cloud. Air evapor, salt cannot evapor. It stays in the ocean.
All right, very nice. And the paragraph number 2, let's invite Danny.
the water in the ocean has more salt than the water in rivers. Ocean water is about 3.1 to 3.5% salt. Some seas have more salt than others. Some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Some of the waters evaporates, but the salt cannot. These lakes are very salty. There are 2 famous lakes like this. They are the Dead Sea in the Middle East and the Great Salt Lake in the state of Utah in the United States. They are much salter than the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean.
All right. Okay, so let me read through this once again for you guys. So there is a lot of salt on the earth, and it mixes very well with water. There's some salt in our water. Water on the land runs into lakes and rivers. The water from most lakes goes into river. These rivers run into the seas and oceans. They carry a little salt with them. Some of the ocean water moves into the air and clouds. It evaporates. Salt cannot evaporate. It stays in the ocean. The water in the oceans has more salt than the water in rivers. Ocean water is about 3.5% salt. Some seas have more salt than the others. Some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Some of the water evaporates, but the salt cannot. These lakes are very salty. There are two famous lakes like this. They are the Dead Sea in the Middle East and the Great Sea Lake in the state of Utah in the United States. They are much saltier than the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Yeah. So let's just put it on. Okay.
What do we do now?
We're going to, like the other class, we are going to paraphrase this sentence once again. But this time, I'm just invite two students. Like you're going to paraphrase by your own. Okay, so no help. And I'm going to invite two students to paraphrase this one for me. Okay.
Why? Why there are 7 people?
Yeah, 7 people is too less. We just have like three, and then as you can see, some of them are already offline, and we can communicate with them.
I know because you and Quatin don't, because Quatin don't say anything right.
Yeah, so we're going to do the single group. Yeah, so like each of you going to paraphrase this one. I already told you before, right? We're going to.
Why is the sea salty? Yes.
Yeah, what?
Why is the sea salty, or why do people laugh?
We're going to paraphrase the why is the sea salty. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yep, okay. So we're going to paraphrase it, and I'm going to invite two students to paraphrase this one. I told you guys before, right? I told you how to paraphrase, right? So now you're going to do it by yourself, and I'm going to correct it. Remember, don't just erase the unimportant word. You're going to rewrite the whole sentence, or like link two sentences to make it into one sentence and make it easier and less words to understand. That is called paraphrasing, or you can say it is called summarize. Okay, so you guys could do it from 4:30 to 4:45, and then I'm going to invite two students to do it. Good luck. Okay, so
Teacher,
start your work. Yeah.
we have to paragraph all the reading.
Yeah, all the reading. You got 15 minutes to paragraph the whole reading. Yeah. Just try your best, and I'm going to try to listen to it and like fix your problems and stuff, so you could be better in paraphrasing. The benefits, like the goods that paraphrasing helps you, is that you're going to understand the reading easier and make it less for you like to reread it in the future, and helps you remind it easier. That's the benefits of summarizing. Yeah, so good luck.
What are you doing?
Yeah, Anna, what happened?
What are you doing there?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you guys. That's my job. I'm going to wait for you guys to
I
do.
don't understand.
You still don't understand?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard though. Like I told you before, summarizing means that. Okay, let me write it. First of all, summarize. Để nói tiếng Việt đi. Thì tóm tắt, tức là em sẽ first em sẽ make less sentence, tức là trong một cái bài dài là dài này thì em sẽ làm cho nó ít câu hơn. Thì em làm cho nó ít câu bằng cách nào? Bằng cách nào? Bằng cách link to three sentences into one, tức là em sẽ cố em liên kết 2 đến 3 câu thành một câu. Thì làm sao liên kết 2 đến 3 câu thành một câu? Bằng cách là em sẽ use linking words so on. Tức là em sẽ dùng mấy cái động từ liên kết như là when, while, then, where, who. Nói chung là em dùng mấy từ liên kết lại để cho nó thành từ 2 đến 3 câu thành một câu. Hoặc là em tóm tắt, em thấy 2 câu nào nhìn giống giống nhau mà nó có 2 ý nhỏ nhỏ khác nhau thì em sẽ gộp 2 câu đó lại. Yeah, okay, so first of all, it's make less sentence. Ý thứ hai là em phải đảm bảo là easy to understand. Oh, okay. Make it less sentence.
Nhưng mà sao anh không lập nhóm?
Hả?
Sao anh không lập nhóm vậy? Giống như mấy ngày trước đó.
Giờ là do là thứ nhất anh bảo là giờ lớp mình đang bị ít người, có 6 người thôi, mà trong đó thì đã có 2-3 bạn là ít on rồi, nên là lập nhóm thì sẽ có nhóm bị thiệt, nhóm không. Nên là anh cũng muốn cái lần này thì tụi em sẽ focus more, kiểu thử làm bài cá nhân, do là mốt em đi thi em đọc vô một cái bài thì em đâu thể nhờ bạn khác tóm tắt giúp em được, đúng không? Em phải hiểu cái bài và em tự viết lại được bằng chính cái năng lực của mình. Yeah, so đây là một cái bài luyện tập thôi. Don't take it too serious, okay? Thì đầu tiên là make the sentence easy to understand, và what is it called? Wait, oh my God, I forgot it.
Teachers,
Yeah,
can I put away this because at the dam some lake have river to carry the water away. Some of the water is water, but the salt cannot. Is up. Is
Wait,
there's
wait,
up
wait,
here.
wait,
Yes, there's water moves into air and cloud is involved. Salt cannot involved. Can I put away that
which
paragraph?
one? Which one? Wait, which one? Can you say it again?
Yes. And this one,
Which one?
there is some water involved, but the salt cannot, and I cannot put away because the salt cannot involve. It stay
Yeah,
in the
we already
ocean
said
here.
before. Yeah, as you can see, we already said before, so you can put it away. Wait, let me see. I mean, like, you should remind it. Em nên giống kiểu là đây là 2 câu khác nhau đúng không? Cái câu đầu tiên nó bảo là trong cái ocean, còn cái thứ hai là nó nói về là trong cái lake. Tại sao cái lake nó carry cái nó carry water, và cái salt thì nó bỏ away. Yeah, so nên là em nên giống kiểu remind á, kiểu em nhắc lại bằng cách là em nói là some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away because the salt cannot evaporate. Thì em nhắc lại á, em nhắc lại cho người ta hiểu lý do tại sao mà nó lại không thể cái river, cái lake nó không thể giúp cho cái river nó giữ được cái water và bỏ đi mấy cái salt. Thì lý do là vì because the salt cannot evaporate, bởi vì muối nó không thể bay hơi, hiểu không? Em phải nhắc lại cái ý đó để cái người đọc cái summarize của người ta hiểu được. Right, so good luck.
Hi.
I think I'm done.
All right, very nice. We still have 6 more minutes for the authors to prepare. So you could take a little rest now.
Hey, Thomas.
All right, so that's it, and I think we have time for one people, right? So, Danny, you've done your right?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. So, could you do an example for us?
there's a lot of salt water on Earth and it's mixed well with water. There is some salt water on the land runs into rivers, lake and rivers, and most lakes goes into rivers. These rivers run to sea and ocean. They carry a little salt with them. Some of the ocean water moves into the air and cloud is evaporated. Salt can't evaporate. Is salt cannot evaporate. It stays in the ocean. Ocean's water is about 3.5% salt. Some lakes don't have any river to carry the water and salt away. Because some water can't evaporate because the water away because the water can evaporate because they can't evaporate. But there are two famous lakes like this. They are the Dead Sea in the Middle East and the Great Salt Lake in state of Utah in the United States. They are salter than the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
All right. So, as you can see, Danny did a great job. Like by combining two salt and water together. For example, the first sentence he said that there is a lot of salt and water on the earth. It mixes together. Yeah, and then the other, like if they are the same, then Danny are going to combine water and salt. Very nice. It makes the sentence more or less. Hey, very good, Danny. But there are two things you should remember. First of all, this word is called uh evaporate, right? You got it?
Evaporate.
Yeah, very nice.
Evaporate.
And next up is this Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
No, Pacific. It's this one is S.
Pacific.
Yeah,
Pacific.
Pacific Ocean. Very
Pacific
nice.
Ocean.
Okay, very nice, Danny. I think we still have time for one more speech. Ruby, are you there? Ruby? How about Haley?
Hi, teacher.
Huh? What happened?
What is time for finish class?
It's 5 o'clock. But I'm gonna invite one more, and then we can play some game about the why is the sea salty. But if you need to leave the class soon, then it's okay.
Yes, because I think I look at the clock, there's only 1 minute left.
Yeah. Yeah. Have anyone done the paraphrasing except for Danny? No, I mean like except for you. Oh man. Okay, so we still got 15 more times left. I mean like we still got 10 minutes left. All right, so Anna, you done the speech?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Salt
okay.
in our water. Water on the land run into lake and rivers. The river run the sea run into the ocean. Some of the ocean water move into the air and cloud. It's important, but salt cannot evaporate because water evaporates. Salt not this water do not have the river. It's saltier. That sea is the saltiest.
And
That's it.
that's it?
That's very short.
No.
Yes.
Anna, okay, it's yeah, you did great, but you're going to paraphrase the whole text. Yeah, not just a part of it, but it's a good one. Same as Danny, you combine the things, very nice. Okay, so I think we could hop on to the games. And the homework should be paraphrasing this one once again, because this text is really easy to summarize. And then in the next lesson, I'm going to invite some of you to paraphrase it. And finally, I'm going to paraphrase this whole text by myself. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Let's
Click, click, click.